Stop. Do not download .dll files from random websites. They are often infected. If you are missing a DLL, it means a specific Visual C++ library is broken. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the official Microsoft installer to fix it. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering DLL files with corrupted internal metadata. The DLL is an optimized structure designed for the specific needs of system file programs. Its content is specifically addressed by the Dynamic Link Library standard. The DLL file type stands for Dynamic Link Library. It is a crucial component in Windows that contains functions, code, and resources shared by multiple programs. Its purpose is to promote code reuse and modularity, saving memory and disk space. Developed by Microsoft for the Windows operating system, the design rules follow the Portable Executable (PE) file format, standard similar to .exe files but with specific header flags indicating that the file is a library meant to be loaded into memory by other running programs. In most cases, DLL files work best with Microsoft Visual Fox Pro, created by Microsoft Corporation. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows treats the files as uneditable for safety, preserving system integrity. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your DLL file and click Open With. If Microsoft Visual Fox Pro is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If the DLL file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the DLL error. First, recognize the file type. Understand that DLL files are program code libraries that cannot be opened directly. They are loaded automatically by the corresponding .exe file. Next, re-register the DLL. If a program reports a missing corrupt DLL, open command prompt as admin and run regsvr32.dll to re-register the file with Windows. Finally, reinstall the associated program. Uninstall and reinstall the program that uses the DLL file, as this ensures all dependencies are replaced. When every option is exhausted, the only remaining solution is the Universal File Viewer. It reliably opens many formats that standard software cannot. The simple fix is File Magic. It's the recommended universal viewer for any complex DLL file. Download it at filemagic.com. I've used this exact fix countless times. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.